I love how chill this is. It is chill, right? So chill.
Where are the granules?
Hmm?
Granules.
I not put them out now.
What?
Do you want to get out? Yeah, it's get out.
I need all of them. How many them?
Did they not?
Yeah.
All of them.
All of the bottom.
But not now. I am live. Today is Biko. See you later. So guys, this is how it looks like. This is the outcome of this rice. So give me, rate it out, and let me know what you think. This is a delicious rice indeed, guys. You're gonna like it. Mona, come. Help me give your daddy this rice. Take a spoon and the glove, okay? And you come and take your own. Can you finish this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys,
Okay.
you're welcome. Guys, so share with us now. Guys, share with us. I told you that this rice is gonna finish soon because, you know, whenever I'm cooking with I cook for my family. They enjoy my food. That's why I don't stop cooking. I like cooking for my family, guys. Cooking for my family. That's the joy I have when I cook. They will finish eating. All the food you see me cooking there, guys, I always enjoy with my family. I enjoy that with my family. So this is the outcome of our jollof rice with our celery. It's so yummy and delicious. Daddy, come and take yours. Come and take yours. Chikwado's place has finished cooking. Chikwado's place not a joke. Oh. Take your food. Take the small one because you don't eat much. Take this.
But it's bigger.
It's big?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then I remove small. I know that you don't eat much, yeah?
It's also too much. I'm
all...
using vinegar.
Is this here?
Yeah.
Okay, then
Me
take.
too. Okay.
Yeah, I hope you can finish that one. I should remove some more.
Yeah.
Is this okay?
A little bit more.
A little bit more out. Yeah. Okay, take. Yeah, so guys, you can see the girls don't eat much. The boys can eat, yeah. That is normal. That is natural. Girls don't eat more like boys. Guys, let me dish my own out. This is my own jollof rice. I'm going to enjoy it with my smoothie. Me too, I don't eat much, guys. So guys, this will be the end of our live stream today. I really appreciate you joining my live stream. God bless you all. And we are going to be coming live. Whenever you see me come live, come join, support. Let me know where you're watching and the rest. And let's be friends. Always subscribe, okay? And this is the rice. Let me eat it with you. Oh my God. Guys, it's very sweet, guys. It's very, very sweet, guys. Very, very sweet. So try using celery and cook jollof rice. You're gonna like it. Just go back to the video, start from the beginning and watch to the end. You see how we made it, and I know you will like it, sure. So I will be saying bye for you now.